Well, hello again, my fellow loan originators from across the country, my fellow VA home loan experts. This week's video, we're going to talk about leveraging CapCut to do the labor-intensive editing that everybody dreadfully looks forward to. Believe it or not, CapCut has been revolutionary in the fact that it's helped me cut down my editing time at least by 3x. And what I mean by that is that it has a lot of AI tools built into the actual software itself, which it's intuitive to where I'm not spending all my time looking at every minute detail. I can do a broad swath cut and then go back through and refine it. And what I really like about CapCut is I can continue to record in this format, a 16:9 format, create my 16:9 video in which you're watching right now. But then at the same time, once that is completed, the completed product gets re-edited and put into a 9:16 format for short videos that I can put across TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and so on. So I am a huge fan of CapCut, and today I'm just going to highlight a few of the things that I really like about it as we go through editing one of the videos that I'm preparing for my other playlist content as well. So you're definitely going to want to tune in. Let's do this. Hey folks, Jason here again, and gosh dang it, I love it when I record this and the camera doesn't pop up right away. So for my loan officers, this is for that loan officer playlist of the tools that we use. It was weird. I wanted to do a video where I was actually going through the editing portion, of the actual CapCut software, right? But it just didn't turn out the way that I wanted. I thought, you know what? Let's just go ahead and give the folks the actual, web ID address of where you can go and learn a little bit about it, and some really cool things on here, right? And I pretty much use all of these tools. That's why I'm such a big fan of CapCut. It makes it super simple. I'm able to very quickly, they have AI editing, which is awesome. I've tried that now and used it quite a few times, where it's able to get rid of the uhs and the ands and like words that I say multiple times that really have no meaning, which is kind of cool. And when it does it, you actually get to, here we go. When it does it, I actually can go in, see the script, see what they've actually removed, because then you can toggle on, it shows show removed words or not. And then I can choose whether or not I want that word to stay in there for effect or being relevance to what I'm speaking. So great tool. And the other reason why I like this is I have this on 3 platforms. I have it on my iPhone, because then I'm able to do, if I'm out and about doing mobile content, I can very quickly build shorts and use the templates, because there's a lot of templates in there that I really do enjoy, that has either narrators' voices that I like, or the captioning, stuff of that nature. Or if I've got photos and I want to create a collage. It's just really neat, right? However, because it's on the iPhone, which I have the iPhone 15, very small screen, I'm getting older. I got fat fingers, so not ideal always. So then I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and put it on an iPad. So I was able to put it on the iPad, right? So it makes it a little bit bigger, a little bit easier. Functionality, everything's still the same. However, there are some nuances from each platform that you put it on. Ideally, though, the one I love the best, I actually put on my Mac, and I do a lot of my serious editing there, just because I like working from behind a computer, as you can tell, doing the videos and stuff here. So that's why I really enjoy CapCut. When we first started the series, I was talking about how I have Movavi Video Editor Suite and CapCut. Well, CapCut I do not put on my work computer. It's only on my personal Mac, where Movavi Video Editor Suite I have on my work computer. Now, if I need to do something really quick, nothing fancy or flashy, I use Movavi Video Editor Suite, because this camera, the way it's set up through my work computer now versus the Mac. So I can quickly go in, and we'll do a video on that one. That one will actually be easier to show you some of the simple cuts. It is a great tool if you can only afford to buy one of the two and you want to get started. Movavi was actually a pretty good tool to start off with. However, I'm really shifting more of my gears towards CapCut because now that I've used it more, it just provides so much more stuff. I highly recommend. They do have a free version. I'm one of those people though, when they give you the free version for 2 weeks, they let you try the pro version. So of course I'm going to try all the tools. And with CapCut, to me, it was worth spending, I think it was $150 for the year to have the pro version. And the cool thing is I didn't have to license it for multiple platforms. Like I literally just had to download the app for each platform, for the phone, for the iPad, and then log in with my same user credentials. Drawback though, it isn't a living application. So anything that I do on my phone is not transferred to the Mac. Anything I do on the iPad is not transferred to the other two, and vice versa. Anything I do on the Mac is not transferred there. However, because they're all Apple products, whatever project I'm working on, it's easy for me to share it to any one of them just using Apple AirPlay, I believe is what it is, right? So that's the video for this week. Again, CapCut, I really recommend it. Go to CapCut.com, check it out, try it for a trial run. I think you're going to be super pleased with the effects and just the pure editing stuff that comes with it. That right there literally saves you so much time having a good editor. A couple of years ago, we didn't have this type of stuff. And now that they have AI introduced into it, that does a lot of the work for you. And then you just got to add your touch, your nuance to it. I'm going to highly recommend CapCut for me. And again, I don't get anything from CapCut. Again, these videos are purely informational. They're not going to go viral. There's no monetization coming from it. It's just to help you guys out when you're looking for other stuff. So that being said, that's it for now. If you have other tools that you like and you want to share, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with fellow loan originators. So that way we can all, again, with high tides, all boats rise. And that's really the purpose of this playlist. Make it a great day and aloha. Thank you so much for watching. This is where you get the real deal, not the raw deal. Hope to see you again soon. Aloha.